let's take a list. So our list is equal to so let's take a list. So list is equal to, we can take 4 5 2 5 4, and we are applying just a simple for loop. So list 2 is equal to, so that we want that all the number in the list, I want a square of those numbers. So let me try in a simple list. So we want list to, we want to append this in list. So and all our result will store in this. We are going to square. So yeah, let's run this code. So if we now print ls2, so we can see here our result. Okay, let us apply now list comprehension on this code. So we can see that this is our list. So if you want to apply comprehension on it, then the loop we are using will be same like we were doing already. But now in this, what we are doing, that all our result will only stored in this list. So we don't have to write all the for loop code. Just in single line we can get our resulted output. So as you can see that our output here, that this output and this output are the same. So what we had done here, that we had removed all the extra lines and just comprehended this in a single list. So let's say that I want even number in my list. So what I will do, that simple for I in list, if we would like to do if I modulus 2 is not equal to 0, then what we are doing, then we want I, so then it will print if it is not an even number. So we can see that this is our original list. So we have 5 coming 2 times, all the other are even. So we want only odd, so this is odd. Same we can do this for the even as well. Just have to copy and paste here, and instead of not equal to we are using equal to, and we can get all the even numbers in our list. So this is just comprehension to find even and odd of our number. So let's take another list. Here we are going to take string. So we can take that Ali, Usman, comma, Asif, comma, Khan. So this is our list. So this is all in lowercase. So let's apply list comprehension on that. This is something issue. Yeah. So for I in ls, so what we want that I dot uppercase, so that all our value should come in uppercase. So all our values, like all our in string elements in the list are in uppercase. So let's try to convert them into capitalize. So we want to capitalize it. So we can see that first letter is capital and all the other are remaining same. So let us try comprehension for tuple. So we can take our list and tuple comprehension. We know that uh, for I in list, so what we want square. Okay. So here is a generate generator object. So we will study later about generator object. So let us convert it into a list and then run. So we can see that here comes our output, like list will scare of every element in the list and we can get this output. So let us perform dictionary comprehension here. So we can take dict is equal to, so we know that dictionary is in the form of key value pairs. So we can take here key I, give value as 2, then j colon 4 L colon 6. So this is our dictionary. So mm, dict dot item, so it will display dictionary in the in the shape of key and value. So what we have to do here is that we want to apply this comprehension. So we apply for m and n in dict dot item. So what we are doing that we are assigning key I as into m and value 2 into n. So what do we want to do that we want to apply dictionary comprehension. So what we want to do here is that m colon n star 3. So what we are doing here that we are where we had already assigned m as key and n as value, so we are multiplying n with the power 3. So let's see the result. So let's see result here that all the values are multiplied by 3, like the power of 3. So 8, 64, 216. Yeah. So let's take it an example. So here we want that if our key m is equal to j, like if our value like key is equal to j, then only print this dictionary. So wherever it finds m equal to j, so it will print only that piece of code. So we can see that here it prints j is equal to 4, and here in our main dictionary we can see that j is equal to 4. So if you like as we had applied this filter of key is equal to j, so it printed key along with its value for us.